Hey guys, I'm Brian Maresca.
And I'm Brian Hammock. Today we're here to show you how to fix a crawl space in 4 easy steps.
But before we do, let's review what those 4 steps are and why they're so important.
And we're going to show you some of the tools we're going to use along the way. So step 1, fix groundwater seepage. Step 2, isolate the house from the earth. Step 3, seal outside air leaks. Step 4, dehumidify and condition the crawl space air.
That's right, Bri. So let's talk more about step 1, fix groundwater seepage.
Yeah, you can't fix a crawl space with good intentions. If a crawl space has groundwater seepage, first and foremost, we're going to need to control the water intrusion and direct it up and out of the space.
So the first thing that must be done to fix that groundwater seepage is we're going to install a sump pump in the low spot of the crawl space.
That's right, and it's important to confirm the low spot. So before our foreman starts the installation, they will use a laser level and a tape measure to confirm. Guys, this is easy. The biggest number wins.
So at that point, we've confirmed the low spot and we're ready to start digging.
For this installation, we're using a smart sump. So the hole must be dug approximately 24 inches deep and twice the width to account for clean, crushed stone.
When installing perimeter drainage, a hole must be drilled into the liner to receive the drain outlet pipe.
Yeah, the next thing to do is install the sump liner into the hole, providing a nice, clean housing for the pump assembly.
So this crawl space was extremely dry, but in the event of standing water, a temporary pump can be used.
Now, in the rest of the crawl space, the soil should be moved as needed into the middle to crown it a little bit, as well as smooth it out or fill any low spots where water can collect.
Yeah, and the idea here is to have the crawl space floor pitched down, even if only slightly, towards the sump.
In this installation video, we're using our patented Smart Sump, which includes a perforated sump liner, a reliable pump, our WaterWatch flood alert system, a clean pump stand, and a threaded inline check valve with a 2-piece lid with a built-in floor drain here.
So this customer's lived here for many years without any water, but they wanted the peace of mind that their crawl space was going to be protected against groundwater seepage.
And the airtight lid on this sump has a chase, as you can see right here. And basically, if there's a plumbing leak, it's going to allow that water to go right into the valley here where this alarm's going to go ahead and sound off to let you know that there's a plumbing leak.
Yeah, now that said, for customers with 0 tolerance for crawl space water, you're going to need the best sump pump system available. That's the Triple Safe sump pump system. And that sports 3 sump pumps and 1 sump liner.
So now that we installed the Smart Sump to eject the groundwater from the crawl space, we'll go ahead and install our perimeter drainage system.
So in this application, we opted to use our custom engineered drainage system for crawl spaces. It's called SmartPipe.
And SmartPipe is easy to install. Let's take a look.
So first, we trenched the perimeter exterior walls in the crawl space. On this job site, there were block walls, which have hollow cavities that oftentimes fill with and retain water.
That's right, Brian. Weep holes are drilled in each cavity to relieve any water pressure that's built up in the interior of that wall.
So in some cases, although it's not common, mortar droppings or dirt can fill the bottom course of the blocks. So as necessary, you may need to drill weep holes a little bit higher up the wall on the second or even third course of block.
And joining SmartPipe links together and turning corners is easy with this drainage piping. We have the SmartPipe connectors.
So SmartPipe's unique because it has an integrated wall flange, which will direct wall leakage down into the subfloor drainage, where there's many large perforations here to allow water into the pipe.
Yeah, the wall flange can also be fastened directly to the foundation wall, keeping it secure. There's also a raised peg system that keeps the filter fabric off the face of the pipe, which allows SmartPipe to be installed without aggregate.
So once all your perimeter drainage SmartPipe has been set, the last step in this phase would be to backfill the sump liner with clean crushed stone, and you're going to install the submersible pump, your inline check valve, your ice guard outside, and the discharge line.